Dear student, good morning. I hope you all are happy and healthy. In the previous class, we learned about quadrilateral and its different part. How we write the name of a quadrilateral, adjacent sides and opposite sides. Today we learn about adjacent angles and opposite angles. Adjacent angles. What is adjacent angles? Adjacent angles are those in which one line is common. For example, angle P and angle Q. Angle P made up by PS and PQ, and angle Q made up by PQ and SR. PQ is common, so angle P and angle Q, angle P and angle Q are adjacent angles. Similarly, there are four pairs of adjacent angles. Angles Q, angle R, angle R, angle S, and angle S and angle P. Four pair. One pair angle P, angle Q. Second pair angle Q, angle R. Third pair angle R, angle S, and fourth pair angle S and angle P. Both angles have one side common. Another is opposite angles. What is opposite angles? Two angles having not a common side. Opposite angles. For example, in this figure, angle P and angle R. Angle P is made up by side PQ and PS, and angle R made up by side QR and RS. So we say angle P and angle R are opposite angles. Similarly, angle Q and angle S. Angle Q is made up by side PQ and QR, and angle S is made up by SR and SP. They have no common arm or they have no common side. So angle Q and angle S are opposite angles. Another is convex quadrilateral and concave quadrilateral. Convex quadrilateral. What is convex quadrilateral? We know in a quadrilateral there are four angles. PQRS is a quadrilateral. There are four angles: angle P, angle Q, angle R, and angle S. If each angle is less than 180 degree, the quadrilateral is called convex quadrilateral. if each angle P, angle Q and angle R is less than 180 degree, then this quadrilateral is called a convex quadrilateral. Another is concave. What is concave quadrilateral? Concave quadrilateral. This is also a figure of quadrilateral. We know quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. In this figure, there are four sides: AB, BC, CD, and DA. So this figure is also a quadrilateral. In a quadrilateral, if one angle is more than 180 degree, angle D is more than 180 degree, so the quadrilateral is called concave quadrilateral. What is difference between convex quadrilateral and concave quadrilateral? Convex quadrilateral, each angle is less than 180 degree, and in concave quadrilateral, one angle is more than 180 degree. I hope you all understand. Another is interior of the quadrilateral and exterior of the quadrilateral. Interior of the quadrilateral. The interior part, interior means inside, so the shaded portion is interior of the quadrilateral, and exterior means outside of the quadrilateral. This part and this part are outside of the quadrilateral, so exterior part. And third part is boundary of the quadrilateral. Boundary, KLMN, is boundary. So a quadrilateral has three parts: inside of the quadrilateral, interior of the quadrilateral, exterior of the quadrilateral, and boundary of the quadrilateral. If point A is interior of the quadrilateral, point B exterior of the quadrilateral, and point C on the boundary of the quadrilateral. In a quadrilateral, interesting property: sum of four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Sum of four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Here angle L plus angle M plus angle N plus angle K is equal to 360 degree. This is the interesting property of a quadrilateral. There are so many types of quadrilateral. In the further class, we know about the types of a quadrilateral. Thank you.